Hello, guys. Good evening. I'm starting this new daily market momentum series where every day I'll try my best to record every day. I will record about what's happening in the market, where the momentum is, and how to participate in the momentum. Very simple video. I'm not going to take much time, maybe 7, 8 minutes, and try to structure the thought process with all of you so that whoever is learning from me can actually get a proper structure to the learning. All right. So let me do the screen sharing and let's figure out where the momentum in the market is right now. You know my structure: 10,000 feet, 1,000 feet, and 100 feet. This is exactly what I follow for myself, and that is what I've been training all of you to follow for yourself as well. When we look at 10,000 feet view, we have to look at Nifty vis-a-vis dollar index. And if you clearly see Nifty, Nifty is trading above all the major moving averages. The short-term uptrend is quite visible, and dollar index has been in downtrend for some time. Now, in most of the cases, this relationship holds true, but there are situations when even though dollar index is down, Nifty is also falling, like this particular case. This happened because there was reasons which are specifically for Nifty or market or Indian market. Like Donald Trump was very aggressive with Indian market, so that's why it was in a downward trend, even though dollar index was down. For some people, this is an opportunity that you can do bottom fishing here, because finally, over a longer time frame, if you see, Nifty does follow the inverse relationship with dollar index. As far as momentum is concerned, this is the first indicator which says that there is a positive momentum right now in the market. The second indicator, which is more 1,000 feet view about the market, is to look at the four broader indices, right? So we have Nifty mid cap index, Nifty 500, and Nifty small cap index, and all four are in green territory right now. That means from 1,000 feet perspective, we are comfortable that if we have to play long in the market, we are comfortable to play long. Apart from this, all four indices being positive, we also have to see whether market is overbought or oversold. And for that, we look at the market breadth meter inside stockage. So if you look at Nifty 50 market breadth, it's pretty much in a mid range. Neither it is overbought or nor it is oversold. And if you look at the broader index like Nifty 500, in a SMA 50 zone, it is slightly red, but it's still also in a neutral zone. That means the market is, if market has to go up, there is a possibility that market can go up because the breadth is also positive. So from 1,000 feet perspective, we are also positive that market is positive. Also, one more indicator which I want to show you guys is the indicator which is residing inside the scan section of stockage. If you go to scan and look at the price scan, there is something called 52-week breakout scan. If you go inside this, you see number of stocks which are within 52-week high zone out of those major stocks, 500, 600 major stocks. 181 stocks are within 52-week high zone, and 113 stocks are within 52-week low zone. That means the ratio between this high zone versus low zone is positive, right? It's more than one, which is a very good sign. But remember, it can tend to overbought also when the ratio goes extremely high. But at this moment, even the ratio is suggesting that there are more stocks which are positive vis-a-vis stocks which are negative. So the breadth of market is positive here as well. So yes, we can play momentum in these stocks. Now there are different approach of playing momentum. We have been discussing this for some time that there could be your combination scans like FIPA combination where you filter the stocks based on certain criteria. The criteria could be price action, or the criteria could be momentum. The other one of the combination scan which I use and I would love to share with you guys, all of you, is this combination scan is my momentum champions. Here it is, momentum champs. What have I used here? I've used stock outperforming benchmark index for 1 week, 3 month. Strongly outperforming benchmark index for 21 weeks, and momentum score, which is Stockage proprietary momentum score. It is bullish in all three zones. So these are the stocks which are momentum champs. And if I have to play momentum in market, I will restrict myself to only these stocks because these are the stocks where there is a higher probability of continued momentum in market. That's one approach of identifying stock. The other approach of identifying stocks, which I also like, is pick any index. Okay, let's talk about Nifty. Let's go inside Nifty 50. Okay, and let's see the stock scores here. You see the stocks where momentum currently resides is Hindustan Unilever, Bajaj Finance, Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, Ultratech Cement, Bajaj Finserv, Eternal, Adani Port, JSW Steel, Tata Motor, Bajaj Auto, Asian Paints, Coal India, Nestle, Tata Steel, Grasim, Aisha Motor. So more or less automobile, cement, and a bit of metals plus FMCG. This is the flavor of the season right now. And hospital chains. So these are the stocks where momentum is there. So if at all you are a momentum investor, you will obviously restrict yourself to only stocks where momentum exists, which is green on all three time frame. Or the easier thing to do is what we have done for everyone is we have launched our momentum small cases, which are the easiest way for a passive market participant to participate in momentum from our momentum score because this is our property and we have created an amazing momentum score small case. So if you go to web.stockcase.com and if you go to this small case investment case, look at the kind of momentum which has been played using small case. So, specifically the Nifty 200 is doing great. Nifty 50 is doing great. Nifty Next 50 is also doing great. And if you look at, they compare them with the performance of market index in the related time period, all these momentum cases are doing better. The reason why they are doing better is all these cases will have 10 stocks which are top momentum stocks as per momentum score of stockage in your portfolio, right? This will help you for a no nonsense, no noise momentum investing in a very structured manner, in a very data-driven manner. No manual intervention. Whatever has been done inside the momentum score model. And the model itself is giving you stocks here to identify. So I would suggest people who are passive, who have some money, which they don't want to, be actively involved with that money, they probably can, park some money in one of the small cases which we have and let that money be there. Every month, starting of the month, you will get 10 stocks, which could be old plus or any new stocks, which will help you to participate in the right way in those stock lists for that particular month. Okay, so you can do that, or you can put an effort and use various DIY tools available inside Stockage to figure out the momentum stocks and participate in momentum. So, quick summary: yes, momentum is there. 10,000 feet global market supporting, 1,000 feet Nifty and other indices supporting. So there is momentum. There is no harm in participating momentum in stocks. Two way to participate. You do it on your own through various tools available inside Stockage. Or if you don't have time and if you are more of a passive guy, then I think Stockage small case is the perfect solution for you, right? We will keep on analyzing this every day. I'll try to record every day based on the availability of my time, but I will try to record every day and give you some perspective about where the momentum is right now in the market and whether we should participate or when should we reduce our position, when should we increase our position. All these discussions will be done hopefully every day. All right. Good night.